Stay accountable. Mastering self-responsibility in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, stay accountable. This phrase is not just about language, but also about a valuable life skill. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Stay accountable is a phrase that combines two important words, stay and accountable. Stay implies remaining in a particular state or condition, while accountable refers to the responsibility for your actions and being answerable to someone, or even to yourself. Together, they form a powerful expression about maintaining responsibility for your actions continuously. It's often used in personal development, work environments, and in situations where you need to uphold commitments or responsibilities. In this section, let's explore some practical examples to see how stay accountable can be used in everyday conversations. 1. Personal goals. I set a goal to read more books this year, and I'm trying to stay accountable by tracking my progress. 2. Work environment. Our team needs to stay accountable for the project deadlines to ensure we meet our targets. 3. Fitness and health. Joining a fitness group helps me stay accountable for my workout routine. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied in different aspects of life to express the idea of maintaining responsibility and commitment. Staying accountable is crucial for personal growth and success. It helps in building trust. When you stay accountable, people trust you more as they see you as reliable and responsible. Achieving goals. It keeps you focused on your objectives, making it more likely to achieve them. Personal development. Accountability is a form of self-discipline. It's about owning your actions and learning from them. Understanding the value of staying accountable not only enhances your English vocabulary but also contributes to your personal and professional growth. And that's a wrap on Stay Accountable. I hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and importance of this phrase. Remember, being accountable is not just about words, but actions. Keep practicing, stay accountable in your language learning journey, and you'll see amazing progress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.